What's going on, folks? I want to make this video just in case you was having an issue with your vehicle. Like, say when you're driving, when you first start your vehicle up, everything seems fine with it. You don't have any weird smells or anything like that. That's inside of your vehicle. But say once you start driving for a little while, maybe like 5 or 10 minutes or something like that, you start smelling like a strong burning smell. And of course you can go ahead and pop your hood, look underneath your hood to see if there's something under your hood that's burning. But say you smell nothing under your hood. Most likely this is what your problem could be if you smell a strong burning smell inside of the cabin of your vehicle once you've been driving for a little while. Okay, right now I'm up underneath my vehicle, or this vehicle right here, and I'm about to show you what the smell was that happened to be on this vehicle. It's a strong burning smell. And hold on. So I checked underneath the hood and I didn't see anything underneath the hood that was burning. Nothing was, no smells. So when I looked underneath the vehicle, as you can see right there, there's a plastic bag that actually got stuck onto the exhaust system on this vehicle. As you can see right there, there's a plastic bag. And what was going on is that when the vehicle was getting hot from driving it, it started to melt that plastic bag, so therefore you were smelling a strong burning smell, like plasticky burning smell inside the cabin of the vehicle. And if you can see right here, that is a plastic bag that actually sometimes when you're driving, you could actually be on the road. See, this is actually kind of stuck because it's kind of melted onto the exhaust system. So once again, if you have like a strong burning smell in your vehicle and you're not sure exactly what it is that's causing that smell, your issue could be is that you have a bag or something like that that's somewhere stuck up underneath your vehicle on your muffler or on your Cadillac convertible or your pipes, somewhere on the parts of your vehicle that get hot. So sometimes when you're driving on the road, you run over a bag. If it blows up onto your vehicle, underneath your vehicle, if your exhaust system is hot, it can get stuck on there. So therefore, it'll be on there. And every time your vehicle gets hot again, it starts to melt that plastic and you'll smell a strong burning smell that's coming inside of your vehicle. So once again, if you have that issue, you can't figure out what it is, you might want to get down, look underneath your vehicle to make sure that you don't have some type of a bag or something like that that's stuck on your exhaust system. I'm gonna go ahead and pull. It's kind of melted onto the system, onto the pipe. So I'm trying to pull it off. Okay, yeah. Okay, so see, I got this bag is coming loose. Okay, so I got this one off right here, but this right here is what was causing that burning smell that the person was smelling inside their vehicle. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.